Let's get going. So I'm Vivek Singhar. I'm a Principal Software Engineering Manager with Microsoft, and I'm today here to talk about Windows 10 version 1909, talking a little bit about what it is, and also talking about deployment, a story of it, what changes versus what doesn't. All right, let's get going. So what's in Windows 10 version 1909? So Windows 10 version 1909 contains performance improvement, some of the features enterprise have requested, and the quality enhancements over Windows 10 version 1903. There's a blog about it where you can kind of read about all the features, but to kind of talk the few highlighted ones, there's been some of you, if you're using containers, there has been an ongoing limitations that container and the host OS version number has to be same, and now we support up-level host OS can run down-level containers. Unlike earlier Windows 10 feature updates, we are making use of some of the servicing technologies we use to deliver the quality updates every month to deliver this feature update. And as a result, this is going to be much less disruptive to the consumers and users who are already on Windows 10 version 1903. So if you have some of your devices and machines on Windows 10 version 1903, you're going to love the experience of upgrading to Windows 10 version 1909. All right, let's take a look at the deployment. So if you are on Windows 10 version 1809 or earlier, there are really no changes for you from deployment standpoint. So whatever you have been doing, you'll continue to do. But if you are on Windows 10 version 1903, there are some changes, and you're going to like those changes because it's going to result you in having a much more faster update experience to kind of Windows 10 version 1903. Let's head over to Windows Update for Business Land. So if you are Microsoft managed enterprise via Windows Update for Business, kind of highlighting the same message, there are really no changes if you are upgrading from 1809 to 1909, whatever you have been, you will continue to do. You'll continue to use the deferral policies as you have been using all along to upgrade to kind of Windows 10 version 1909. But if you are upgrading from 1903, it's a much more faster experience. Let's take a look at a demo. To kind of set the context for this demo, in this demo I have a Windows 10 version 1903 machine, and as Microsoft uses a lot of the same technologies internally as you all to manage the updates, and this is an internally Windows Update for Business managed Microsoft machine, and we're going to see this machine kind of upgrading to 1903 and how overall experience looks like. So first thing first, let's confirm that this is a Windows 10 version 1903 machine. As you can see here, this is a 1903 machine. This machine has been patched all the way till October security update. We'll go over and head to kind of local group policy editor to see that this machine is managed by Windows Update for Business. As you can see here, some of the policies which are showing that this machine is managed by Windows Update for Business. Now we'll head over and go take a look at the deferral. So I have set up a 20-day deferral on this machine. We'll go ahead for Windows Update and scan for update. What you'll see is no update applicable because this is right now currently outside the deferral window. Great. Let's head over to Group Policy Editor again and kind of make the changes to the local policy, to the deferral window, and I'm going to kind of bring it all the way back to 0 days just to kind of make sure the update is getting offered to this machine and take it through the upgrade experience. All right, having done that, let's head over to Windows Update and hit scan for update. So here onward, this is a real-time recording of a real-time overall upgrade experience. So essentially, if you want to kind of set your clocks and see how long does it take for this machine to upgrade from here all the way to land on Windows 1909, you may want to do that. So as you see, this machine is kind of scanning for update, and it found feature update to Windows 10 version 1909.
Why it starts automatically?
Hang on a second. Sorry, say that again.
Why the download and the install started automatically? Because you said that after 1903, the user consent should be done before the upgrade happens, right?
All right, that's good. That's a great question. So so for all the consumer scenarios, consumers will continue to be in the control. Although for Windows Update for Business, this is driven by your deferral policies. So depending upon when you set the deferral, you'll continue to kind of your feature update will come down.
So if the deferral is 0, the update will be pushed automatically without the user consent in the enterprise, Windows Update for Business.
That is correct. Yep.
Perfect.
All right, so as you can see, this update is kind of moving through this various stages of installation real quick, and it's ready for reboot. Let's go ahead and hit reboot. Yep, clicking on restart now. And what you'll see is the overall kind of application of update is really fast. So essentially, it will move through the application stages really quick and getting ready for being productive on Windows 10 version 1909. Here we are, but let's confirm that. So let's log in and run my favorite app, WinWar, to confirm that we are actually updated to Windows 10 version 1909. We are logged in, and next let's launch WinWar. All right, so having confirmed that, let's head over to Windows Server Update Services land. So it's, again, a very similar story. There are really no changes for you if you are on 1809 or earlier. You'll continue to use 1909 media on general availability as you have been through all your channels using SCCM and or WSUS. But if you are using Windows 10 version 1903, we are going to make you available something called Feature Update Enablement Package. A KB article has been referenced here, which is going to provide a much more faster update experience, very similar to Windows Update for Business. You can still use Windows 10 version 1909 media if you want it, but that experience is going to be slower and very similar to how the previous experience of feature updates have been. So as Microsoft, we recommend if you are on Windows 10 version 1903, you take this feature update enablement package. Let's head over and take a look at a demo. So for this demo, I'm in a WSUS admin screen, and the highlighted update here is the feature update enablement package with upgrades classification. Let's head over and approve that update. So once I approve that update, what you see is approval status changed from not approved to how many machines it is talking to. Now I'm heading to a machine which is connected to this WSUS server and scan for update, and what you get is a feature update Windows 10 version 1909 enablement package. KB article as I referenced. This recording is not real time. I optimized and took out almost a minute out of it because I've already shown you the overall update experience, which lasts around 2 minutes. But it should be, again, very similar to what a Windows Update for Business experience is, somewhere around the tune of 2 minutes. And this, as you see, this machine kind of takes the enablement KB, reboots, and lands on Windows 10 version 1909. All right, with that, let's take a look at the servicing model. So there are really no changes to the servicing model. This is a fall update, and you'll continue to receive 30 months of servicing as we have been offering with our fall updates. One thing to kind of mention here is Windows 10 version 1909 and shares the core operating system with Windows 10 version 1903. So what that means is the KBs for the servicing update are common. So essentially, when you go look for issues in terms of with servicing updates or what issues they are fixing in our communication center, you're going to refer the same KB article, which is going to be talking about both Windows 10 version 1903 and Windows 10 version 1909. But to continue to make sure that none of your deployment rules or policies have to change, what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 different update entities available to you in all the different channels, catalog and or WSUS. So essentially, I'm taking an example from the October Patch Tuesday. There will be 2 different update entities for Windows 10 version 1903 and Windows 10 version 1909, although they will be sharing the KB article. And from the communication standpoint, you will be using that KB article to kind of talk about both the issues. All right, that's all the kind of quick material I had on this, this topic. There are some great servicing and deployment breakouts and theater sessions coming through the rest of the week. There are 2 great ones coming later today. Update Staging Lab was announced yesterday. This is a program where Microsoft, you can kind of onboard your line of business app and get them tested against our patches and updates. There's a session about it later today, THR3025. Rahul Gupta is going to be talking about that, so I'll encourage you all to go attend that. If you're having network concern with your updates and want to use Microsoft Connected Cache, there is a session about it led by Narkes later today, BRK3078. that's something I'll encourage you all to attend. And there are some great sessions through the rest of the week. There is one by Arya on Thursday for the preview program where you can kind of learn how do you make use of Windows 10 version 1909 preview program. Heading on, there are some great interactive sessions as well through the week. I'll encourage you all to attend those. And then don't miss out on our learning track on Thursday. Be sure to drop by our booth. That is where you can kind of ask our subject matter experts more questions and things like that. And then collect 2 Ninja Cat stickers to get one of the best giveaways at Ignite. And you can scan that QR code to kind of learn about where our subject matter experts are going to be available. All right, please evaluate this session. The links are here. And then you can visit that to kind of access the recording of this session. Thank you very much.